กิจกรรมการจัดการเรียนการสอนวิชาภาษาอังกฤษ
The action word sing. Okay, who can help to your classmate? Who wants to help your classmates? Yes, come here. Okay. Get the word or the action word sing. Where is sing? Is that correct? Sing?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. Yes. This is sing. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Now, action word.
Action word.
Very good. Okay. You repeat after me. Swim.
Swim.
Sing.
Sing.
Dance.
Dance.
Play.
Play.
Run.
Run.
Climb.
Climb.
Jump.
Jump.
Drive.
Drive.
Cook.
Cook.
Read.
Read.
And write.
And write.
Okay. Now, I put this picture on the board and you tell teacher where is the action word. Okay? Okay. Who wants to first? Who wants to volunteer? Come. Okay. Choose the action word. Sing. Choose the action word. Sing. Where is sing? Where is sing? Very good. Okay. This is sing. Okay. How about you? Thank you, teacher Steve. Choose the action word run. Okay. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Another. Please come here. Choose the action word swim. Swim. Okay. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Okay. How about in this row? Okay. Where is the action word dance? Dance. Dance.
ฝากกดไลค์และกดแชร์เพื่อเป็นกำลังใจให้กับคณะครูในการจัดการเรียนการสอนด้วยนะคะแล้วพบกันใหม่ในคลิปต่อไปขอบคุณค่ะ